Well, g'day folks. So today I'm adjusting my trailer, my wobble trailer rollers. So they're just a little loose. They're not too bad, but they're just a little loose. So I'm gonna adjust them. So this is the, when we're gonna clamp me camera. I'm gonna clamp my camera. Oh, that's a very good question. How the hell am I gonna clamp my camera? Everything's too thick for me clamp. Alright, so I've put a dumbbell under here and I'm just gonna clamp me camera onto that and hopefully we're happy days. Somehow. Oh yeah, that's better. So here's me thing. Make sure you can see everything. So I'm just gonna make them, just gonna push them up a little bit. Hopefully these undo alright, but they were pretty tight and I left me spray out and I don't want to get in and out. Get me a spray. So first thing I suggest is always wear your safety glasses, especially if you're doing stuff, but you don't want any of this in your eye. So they've only got to go up a real little bit, which I'm happy about, and I don't even know if it's worth the trouble since it's only a little bit, but I will, just for the sake of it. Knew that was going to happen. Doesn't matter, but I knew it was going to happen. I was hoping it wasn't. So all I'm going to do is just take the weight. You're supposed to not have, you don't want the boat, you don't want these taking the weight of the boat. You want the center rollers to be taking the weight on the keel. So the internet says. I reckon I'm going to be a smidgen too short with my jack and I'll need a block, which means I have to get out again. I must have been in and out of this trailer 100 times. I don't think I want this block. Anyway. Whoa. It's hard on your neck. that's better. They're surely that's, there's not too much weight on those, because if you have too much weight on the rollers it can dent the hull. My hull, I only got a 5mm hull, so it shouldn't be a problem, but I don't want to do it wrong. So I'd say there's not too much weight on that, otherwise I wouldn't be able to spin them. So I'm happy with that. I'll tighten that up. The other side's a little bit looser. Yeah, that's better. I'm happy with that. I'll move all my stuff around and do the other side. Alright, so onto the other side now. Luckily for me, very luckily, I only have 2 rollers. The rest is skids. And I really like that because, to be honest, I don't like rollers. I had a boat years ago. That was all rollers. And I had another boat years ago that was no rollers. And the ones with no rollers, the trailer with no rollers was heaps better. So I'm happy to only have 2 rollers. Oh my god, my lump of wood is way over there. God damn it. Stuff it, I'm gonna have to get out of this goddamn trailer. Yeah. Alright. So you can see this one. They're not bad, but they're just a little loose and rattly. So garbage trucks here, I can hear it. I've got the garbage bin, the green bin, full, completely full of tree stumps. So I'm not sure he's going to be able to lift it. Sounds like it's too heavy to me. I'm gonna have to get out of the trailer again. Go and check my green bin. So, the truck wouldn't lift my green bin. But I got the guy and he said, oh, just push it up. Push it up with a broom. He had a broom hanging off his truck. So I put a bit of weight under it and pushed it up with a broom, and he took me green stuff. So that was worth racing up and checking. So I'm happy with that. As I said before, I don't want too much weight. I just enough so the rollers stop rattling. I don't even know if it's necessary, but anyway. It's one little job that I'm happy to be done. How does that go? So I guess if you're doing this on your own trailer and you've got a heap of rollers, it's exactly the same. You just do it many more times. So you don't want to push these up so they're lifting your boat. They're there just to rest the hull on, because as I said before, the middle ones are what are taking the weight of the boat. So I am happy with that. I'm happy with that. That's good. The little washers and stuff rattle, but I'm happy with that. Happy with the other one. Oh, I can't reach it from here, but I'm happy with the other one. Alright, so the rest of my boat looks like this. So you can see there's no other rollers. They're just skids. Other than the center rollers. Other than these. That's it. It's my brakes look alright. Everything else looks good under here. It's a very good trailer. I'm really happy with it. I don't put it in the water much. I've only ever put it in the fresh water. I don't need to put it in the water where I am to put it in the ocean. So, but the brakes look good. So they look good. This one looks good. The springs look good. So yeah. So there you go. How to adjust your wobble rollers on a trailer. Alright, see you in the next video.